I'm Jay Nelson, founder and CEO of Excel Tire Gauge. Excel Tire Gauge was the first to bring digital calibration to the United States. We have grown the market where it is now very common for everybody to have digital, but we're still the market leaders. With over 50,000 gas stations and nearly 10,000 tire shops, we are the #1 provider of digital calibration throughout the U.S.
The feedback has been incredible this year. We're displaying our brand new product, the SC05 kiosk. And now, instead of just providing the air for free to the customers, you get a small return. And the customers that are seeing it for the first time are loving the idea. So we're hoping to change the market and see what we can do with the kiosk.
I'm Roger Audette, and I'm VP of Sales at AirXL. And this year at Chicago NACS 2025, the thing I like most about NACS is getting to bump elbows with some of your customers, get to see them. You get to resolve issues if there are any issues. You get to talk about exciting new things. So NACS is really good for just connecting, really.
So I've been attending NACS since 1995, and it's been an amazing experience year after year. Just as in the past, I'm hearing so much feedback from participants on innovation. They come here to see new products, innovation, and we're happy to be able to show them our kiosk system. So innovation and creativity is a big part of their energy.
This year's NACS is special for Excel Tire because it's a year that we are showcasing new product. We have new people joining us, and we have new clients that we're going to be seeing and sharing and growing with.